Hi. So, if you get a chance to look in Level and Attack, there is a picture there of a trade show, early 70s. It's a pretty early picture. We're sharing the stand with Colesborough amplifiers, and there's these award-winning pedal stands that rotate, which is great. But on one of them is an orange Mark IV. Now it's a very early Mark IV, probably the first of what we now call the Batman logo pedal. It's just a fuzz flash. It's just a nickname that's come about, the Batman flash. Never seen one in the flesh. We don't know if it was ever produced. And we were looking at this picture thinking, what was it? Was it just an empty case? And what happened to it? Was it built into a Mark IV and sold? Maybe it was just kept and used as a prototype, maybe for one of the early jumbo circuits. Anything, I mean, listen, if anyone out there has got it, please give me a shout. I'd love to know. But anyway, it set wheels turning. And so what I'm about to show you is a pair of pedals called the Trade Show Specials. So the story sort of starts with a telephone company, really. You know, if you think about it, most of the transistors, you know, that we used were never developed to be used in fuzz pedals. Fuzz pedals, such a tiny little bit of the market in the world. They were built for telecommunications. You know, Mullard was mainly building for TVs and radios. The Standard Telephone and Cable Company, or STC, produced some amazing transistors. And if you bust open a Batman Flash Mark IV, sort of between 1974 and 78, you odds on 90% of them will have STC transistors in it. So this is the first time we've actually made a historically correct Batman Flash Mark IV. Pretty cool pedal. It even looks kind of old. It's got a real vibe about it. It's orange and it's very, very 70s. Alongside it is what the other pedal that might have ended up in that case, which is the earliest version, jumbo pedal. We never really sold a pair of pedals before, but I'm going to let you hear them, and hopefully you'll agree it's a cool concept. So that I'm going to show you the germanium one first. So this is just like an amazing, authentic. Authentic early Mark IV. Back it off a little bit, you're gonna get in sort of 1.5 Mark II lands. There's that clean up. Pull it in. Then kick it in full tilt. Mark IV has this great tonal sweep. Fizzy to fat. Oh yeah. You know what I'd like to do? I'd quite like to show you the insides of that pedal now, and then show you the insides of the jumbo. So in there, you can see the these amazing, beautiful vintage STCs, and of course the geography of a Mark IV. Gorgeous, gorgeous simplicity, and obviously very nicely put together by the guys at DAM. Oh my goodness, doesn't really get a lot better. So we're going to move on to the jumbo. So this is the earliest version of the circuit that we've ever seen, and it's a wonderful contrast in sound to the germanium pedal. I'll switch them back. I'll AB them in a second. But the jumbo. Saturated sustain that everyone wanted at the time, sort of, you know, later 70s. Dare I say, a little bit groggy. But I love the cleanup on a jumbo. It goes trashy. Then when I pull my volume up, this bass. So if you've ever wanted just to AB a great silicon pedal and a great germanium pedal, here we go. So jumbo versus Mark IV. More transparent. Gnarlier. Going into the jumbo. Should mention, if you like the sound of that pedal, and you don't, I mean, these, you know, it's a pricey pair of pedals. They're really special. But if you like that sound, we do make a pedal with more modern components inside it. Still sounds amazing, called the Super Jumbo, and there's still some left in stock. Sorry, I can't help it, I'm a salesman. So let's have a quick look inside the Jumbo. Oh yeah. There they are, lined up like little soldiers, fuzzy soldiers. Again, beautiful reproduction of the original circuit, right down to the colour of the circuit board. Every pedal handmade, and every pedal, there's 50 pairs, all of them sold as a pair. So this is my matching pair. But they're on the site now. I'm extremely excited about them. I'm trying to tone it down a bit, but I've got to say, when Dave sent me the box and I opened these, I mean, it just, I thought it was one of the coolest boxes in the world to be opening. Very lucky boy. So there they are, the trade show specials. Rock and roll, and I'll see you next time.